Today, guys, we'll be taking a look at replacing a tilt and travel wheel on your Olympic case. We've got a replacement part here. A captain nut back there holding it all together. So what we want to do is take this Allen wrench, loosen that bolt, alright, that should do it. Go ahead and pull that. Got that nut there. Let's go ahead and put that down at the wheel. It looks like we've got a washer and a spacer. So now we put that aside. Now we've got a replacement wheel. So pretty much what we want to do is take that spacer, add our little washer there to it, then go ahead and fit that down into the well in the case. And then set your case and do this number right here. I got a 180 here, I'm sorry. Let's turn it around where that washer's on the outside. Okay. Let's go ahead and fit that right there. There we go. Hold that in place. Should be as easy as tightening this up. And there you go.